how to fix crash on Roblox mobile. So in order to fix that, you need to go back to your screen and you will need to go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead into finding a Roblox app, and from here what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and double check if Roblox have any more updates. So probably the next update is gonna take care of the crashes that are happening inside your Roblox, so you can get a better experience while playing the Roblox. So if you update it and still facing the same issue, what you gotta do, you gotta just go back to your screen and go ahead to your settings. In the settings, what I'm gonna do here, you're gonna see the general settings, and just go ahead to the general and go ahead to the software update. So probably one of the reasons why this is happening to you is probably from iPhone itself. So probably it's gonna like gives you a heads up, like you will need to double check on your iOS and you will need to update it so you can prevent that from happening. Okay, so if you're still facing the same issue, just go back to the general, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead to the iPhone storage, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait up for a few moments and just try to search for Roblox. Okay, and I'm gonna just show all right here. Go ahead to the Roblox and upload the app, and uploading the app will release some of the unnecessary storage within the app, and most likely it will fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.